my name is Katie. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking by the Book. Today we have a literary tea party by Allison Walsh, and it contains recipes inspired by our favorite novels, including Alice in Wonderland, Lord of the Rings, Wizard of Oz, and today we're making 2 recipes inspired by everybody's favorite detective, Sherlock Holmes. We've got London Fog Lattes and dark chocolate Earl Grey lavender truffles on the menu, so let's get started. For dark chocolate Earl Grey lavender truffles, we will need 1 Earl Grey tea bag, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon coarsely chopped lavender buds, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, half a bag or 5 ounces of bittersweet chocolate pieces. To begin with our truffles, we're going to take our 1/4 cup of heavy cream and add to it our lavender and the contents from our Earl Grey tea bag. And we'll give that a quick stir. And cover it. And then this goes into the fridge for 3 hours. Once our cream has had a chance to steep with the lavender and tea in it for 3 hours, we'll get our double boiler started with some water boiling in the bottom part. As this starts to come to a boil, we'll put our steeped cream into another small saucepan and we'll heat it on low for about 2 minutes, just until it starts to steam. And we'll take this off the heat. Once our cream has started to steam, we'll take it off the heat as well. And we're going to set the top part of our double boiler with our chocolate in it over the boiling water so it can begin to melt. And then we're going to strain our cream over the chocolate. As your cream has strained into your chocolate, you want to give it about 3 minutes to sit there and let that chocolate get good and melty. And then we will stir it all together. Okay, once that's well incorporated, we're going to cover this. We're going to put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. And then move it to the fridge for another 20 to 30 minutes or until it's firm enough for us to work with. We've got one already ready, so I'll meet you back at the table to make the truffles. Once our truffle mixture has had a chance to firm up in the refrigerator, we'll scoop it into about 1-inch balls and just roll it, cover it in some cocoa powder. And then we're going to sprinkle it with a few more lavender buds. Once you have them all made up, they go back in the fridge for another 5 minutes and they're ready to serve. For London Fog Lattes, we will need 1 cup of milk, 4 Earl Grey tea bags, 1 teaspoon of coconut extract, and 1/4 cup of honey. To begin our lattes, we are going to brew our tea bags in 4 cups of hot water for 7 minutes. And while that's going, we're going to heat our milk on low heat and stir it pretty frequently so that we don't scald it. Once our tea is through steeping, we'll pour it our coconut extract and our honey into a blender. We're going to add half of our milk and then blend for 1 minute before adding the other half and blending again for 1 more minute. Okay, and we're ready to serve. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of Cooking by the Book, and we'll see you next time. once our truffle mixture here is cold enough for it to be firm for us to work with, we will we will then wait for it to thaw.